All right, today we're going to dive into a platform called StansBooth, which is all about bringing artificial intelligence right into the world of financial trading. We're going to unpack what it is, how it actually works, and what it's promising traders who are looking for a new kind of edge.
And this really gets to the heart of it, right? Can an algorithm, can a machine genuinely trade better than a person? The whole idea here is to shift trading from your gut to the grid, replacing all that human emotion with pure, cold, data-driven logic.
So, what are we really talking about when we say algorithmic trading? Well, at its most basic, it just means using a computer program that has a set of pre-programmed rules to place trades for you. The entire goal is to yank human emotions like fear and greed right out of the equation. So here's the game plan for this explainer. First, we'll get a handle on what StansBooth is. Then, we'll look inside its trading ecosystem and check out the AI that makes it all tick. After that, we'll explore the tools they offer, and we'll wrap up by answering some of the biggest questions.
Okay, let's dive right into our first section. What exactly is StansBooth when you get right down to it?
The way they position themselves isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. They call it professional-grade trading infrastructure. Now, the keywords there are disciplined execution. This is all about giving you the tools to build a structured, repeatable process for your trading.
Now, here's one of the first things that really jumps out about StansBooth. It's their intense focus. I mean, instead of trying to be everything to everyone, they specialize in just two markets: gold, specifically the XAUSD pair, and Bitcoin. That's it.
Okay, so how do they actually deliver on all this? Let's peel back the layers and look at the core services that make up their whole trading ecosystem.
At the very heart of it all is custom trading bot development. And this isn't some off-the-shelf, one-size-fits-all thing. The idea is to build an automated system that's based on your specific strategy, your rules for execution, and probably most important, your personal tolerance for risk.
Next up, maybe you're not ready to go fully automated just yet. For those people, the platform provides real-time signals and alerts. These give you super clear entry zones, price targets, and also invalidation levels, which basically just tell you, hey, this trade setup isn't looking good anymore.
And then, of course, you've got copy trading. This is a pretty cool feature that lets you automatically mirror the trades that are being made by selected strategies on the platform, all while still using your own risk settings.
And you can really see how this all fits together in a pretty logical workflow. You start by analyzing historical data to see if your strategy even works. From there, you get real-time insights to help you spot opportunities as they happen. And finally, you can deploy the bots to actually do the trading, taking that last-second emotional hesitation right out of the picture. So this is all great, but where does the AI actually come into all this? Let's take a look at how StansBooth is using artificial intelligence to try and give traders an edge.
Well, this table breaks it down pretty clearly. The main difference really comes down to three things. A human trader? Well, we're naturally slower, and we can only process so much data at once. And, let's be honest, we're super vulnerable to emotional biases like fear and greed. The AI, on the other hand, it's working in real time, it's crunching huge amounts of data, and it's making moves based on rules, not feelings.
So when we say the AI is analyzing things, what are we actually talking about? Well, it's scanning for all those technical signals, things like specific candlestick patterns that might signal a change in direction, shifts in market momentum, and it's looking at how the price has behaved in similar situations in the past. It's all about identifying potential opportunities. And honestly, this quote from their site really just nails their whole mission. The entire point of this AI engine is to take this massive, chaotic stream of market data and boil it down into clear signals that a trader can actually use.
But it's not just about the tech. StansBooth also provides what they call an educational toolbox. And these are resources that are designed to help you, the trader, understand the why behind what the market is doing.
They actually offer a set of books that get into their trading philosophy. Market Illusion is all about spotting those emotional traps. The Silence Between Candles dives deep into market psychology. And Whispers of Liquidity breaks down how liquidity, basically the ease of buying and selling, is what really moves the market. And there's this one line from their books that I think just perfectly sums it all up. Between every candle lies a message. It really captures the whole philosophy they're pushing. It's about a deeper understanding of what the price is telling you, not just blindly following signals. All right, to finish up, let's just run through a few of the most common and most important questions people have about a platform like this, and these are based right on their own FAQ.
First up, the big one. The question on everyone's mind.
Does using a platform like this guarantee you're going to make money?
And the answer is a very, very clear no. They are super explicit about this. They say they provide tools and infrastructure, not financial advice. They make it crystal clear that trading is risky and there are absolutely no guaranteed results.
Okay, next question. Do you need to be some kind of trading genius to use these tools? Is this just for the pros? Well, according to them, it's suitable for beginners. They say it's designed to support both new and experienced traders, with the idea that things like automation and clear signals can really help flatten that steep learning curve for newcomers. So, to boil this all down, here are the main things to remember. First, StansBooth is a toolbox, not a magic box. It's infrastructure to help you be a more disciplined trader. Second, it's hyper-focused on just two things, gold and Bitcoin. And third, its whole philosophy is about data over drama, using technology to take our messy human emotions out of the trading process. And that leaves us with one last big question to chew on. As these tools get more and more advanced, if automation is doing the job of removing emotion and executing trades, what does the role of the human trader become? Are we the strategy designers, the risk managers, or something else entirely? It's a pretty fascinating question to think about for the future of trading.